Hi everyone, it's Tammy with Southern Angels Boutique. Hope everyone's having a great day. I wanted to share this with you. This is the desk and hutch, of course, that my daughter Shelby had gotten for me. Now I'm probably not going to leave it here because, as you see, there's that shelf behind it. But I cleared out that other desk. And I'm actually I kept the boards that made the desk. I'm keeping that. The big long one that made the desk itself, I may end up using that as another tabletop or somehow, if I can figure it out in here. Just to have some space on. Because it's a nice big heavy duty piece. The others I was thinking about, painting, making some signs with or something, but I kept them to, repurpose. I didn't want to throw them away. The other pieces I gave to the young man, her friend that helped us get the desk over here, and let him take them and just recycle them, get some money off of them. So anyway, and these are the organizers, the Totally Tiffany organizers. I did a video on them and I showed them on Pinterest, filled up, but on the video I didn't show you filled up. Now I probably won't keep them like this. I was just trying to grab some stuff real quick so that you could see them filled up. My daughter does want to get the extra large one that comes like this for me, since this one is a little bit smaller, and I was wanting the extra large. But they've been out, so she's waiting on them to get that in. She's checked other sites, Totally Tiffany's site, and some other sites, and they've been out. Actually, there was one or two other sites that did have them, but the shipping was just outrageous. So I told her, oh my gosh, don't do that. Just wait until either HSN gets them in or Totally Tiffany gets them in, because the shipping is not so bad there, because I just didn't want her to pay that much for just one thing for shipping like that. I don't like that. I won't say who that was with right now, because I have bought some things on there. Actually, I think it was I can't even remember. That's why I don't want to say, because I don't want to say the wrong names. But anyway, you can as you see, you can put your inks, you can put your ink refills or little teeny paints up here or anything like that. Anything that'll fit up there. And this is nice because these pull out. So you can put inks, like I got here shown. So you can pull them out to see your inks. You can put any of your alcohol markers. You can fill it all the way up with alcohol markers. I just put a few in there to show you. This, you can put your colored pencils, or you can even put your paintbrushes like I did there. I grabbed some, couldn't find my pencils, so I just grabbed some paintbrushes to show you how you could use paintbrushes, or, anything that'll fit in these holes, you can use that for. So that's real nice. And I love how these are wood. I think I said plastic on the video. I did not mean plastic. These are wood. So let me, recorrect myself. And you can paint these to match your craft room if you don't want them to be white. You can put washi tape on them, stickers, decorate them any way you want. Okay, this little tower here, you can put, it's a 3-tower staircase tower, real nice. I just put some distress stains and paints and little sprays and some washi tape back here, different things, but you can fill it up with just about anything you want. This little this is a tool caddy, she calls it, and as you see, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 holes on each side. So little tall ones in the back, a little bit skinnier. But I just, stuck different things in there to show you how you could fill it up with different stuff. I mean, you can get so creative with this tool caddy. It's, really nice. All 4 pieces come together in one set. I don't know. I can't remember if on her site you can get them separate or not. You can check it out and see. But I'm telling you what, it's a good deal to get them all 4 together. She's got an awesome deal to where you can get them all together. So that's why my daughter just went ahead and got all 4 pieces. So she knew I'd make good use of them. So anyway, I wanted to share that just with you again. And then this beautiful desk. I mean, $30 she paid on that desk. And so I'm excited. But and the hutch, it is so pretty, and the little detail on it. Isn't it pretty? It's got it there and there. And she found it at the thrift store. And look at this little detail here. And I mean, that's real nice for $30, and it was heavy. We had to get it upstairs. So, because our townhouse, we live in a townhouse, so it goes upstairs. And not to mention where we had to park for them to get it to the door. So, because we don't live in a house. I call it a house, but it's a townhouse. So, I'm just so happy we found that, and I love this trim here. What do you call it? Gingerbread trim. I don't know all the names of the little things, but, and I love the little knotted woods. I just love it because it looked so shabby chic, and she knows I love this style. So, I can't wait to get this piece, and sorry, all the junk on top. I got junk everywhere trying to get this room set. I don't know if I want to drag this piece back outside to try and do it, or I may just paint it up here. But I'd like to try and find some chalk paint. I'll probably make it myself, because that's what I've done before, like when I did that piece. I need to get, really though, some, what do you call it, that goes over the chalk paint. Well, I can't think now, because I always forget when I'm out, since I don't go out of the house that much. And I don't know if you can order it off of Amazon or not. Y'all let me know if I can think of what I'm trying to say. Furniture wax. I think that's what I need after you do the finish. Furniture wax? Yeah, I believe that's it. But anyway, I would like to try and match a finish up. Maybe an antique white finish, because this really, it just looks like a natural finish, you know, of the wood glazed over something. And so this, I'm gonna have to chalk paint it and antique it up, but instead of like just a stark white, I thought maybe like an off-white to try and match it up like that. I mean, it doesn't have to be matchy, but just try and match it up a little bit. And then I need some new knobs. I keep forgetting to go out. I've got to take one of these and then match it up. I guess, actually, I need to take one of these, I think it is. I need to get one off and just put it in my purse, probably, or handbag. So anyway, but I'm thinking about, what I'm thinking about is doing is taking these shelves down so that I can see about moving this over here where this one at, and switching all of this around. I wanted to do that today. I also still have my Totally Tiffany cart in here. It's hard to do one-handed, and I have to put it together. So, which should not be too hard. And this is really nice because these can fit. They're short. They're very short, but they have and they pull out like drawers, not like regular carts. These will pull out like a drawer. And then it has an apron, which is right here, that goes all around it for more storage. So that's going to be a lot of storage that can go up under that table there. So I'm excited about that. At least I hope it will, because I do have that low thing there. But that's what I was planning on doing. So, anyway, that's what I was hoping it's going to fit up under there. Even if I have to put it up under the middle. So anyway, that's what my daughter's going to be helping me put that together in a little bit and getting all this moved around. I'm about to take all this stuff down. I'll have to get that off of there, I guess, so we can move it. So, I'll show you everything afterwards. Oh, and I don't know if I shared this with you. I got this the last time we went to, what was it, Dollar General. I found these. Were on the, I think this one was on clearance too. I can't remember, but I know this one was. This little tea light holder. And I thought it was so cute. This will even come out. So I just thought that was really cute. That was on the clearance rack. So I picked that up. And I picked these up. I love these. Especially since it was purple. I know I could use it in my craft room. And I had another regular one too. I don't know where I put it. I couldn't remember if I showed you guys all the little jars and things. And then just the little dollar sticker book. So that I could use with my planning, because I was like, I need some like summertime foods. So I thought that was cute. I said, there we go. And I saw that sticker book. I said, that is perfect. It's got pizza and ice cream, and I thought I saw some, like the milk and cookies. Oh yeah, the watermelon and the strawberries. Yeah, I liked that. So I thought that was real cute, just for $1. So I can use that in my planner. But yeah, I have another jar, another purple jar, and I don't know where it's at the moment. I couldn't remember if I shared them with you. But yeah, it's just a regular size mason jar that I'd also gotten, same color. But yeah, I like to have these in my craft room too. I can use those. This I'll probably put somewhere else in the house though. So anyway, that's all. And then we'll show you what everything looks like after we move things around and get the cart put together. So, hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And thank you for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye now. Have a blessed day.